Oh, the song is by, I'll tell you in just a minute. I'll tell you who's by before it's over. Collie, Buddz. Okay, very good. The name of the song is Bounce It, okay? All right, we're gonna start with our right. Everybody, right leg, here we go. Toe, heel, step, cross, tap. Let's do it again. 5, 6, 7 on your right. Toe, heel, step, cross, tap. Toe, heel, step, cross, tap. Toe, heel, step, cross, tap. That's 3 times. Left shoulder, we're gonna go into a quarter left turn, we're gonna roll into it. We take it up and down, okay? Let's do it again, toe, heel, 5. No, facing this wall. 5, 6, 7, here we go. Toe, heel, step, cross, tap. Toe, heel, step, cross, tap. Toe, heel, step, cross, tap. Quarter up and down, okay? So you know what we just did? Come back here. Lady, can you go in the back? All right, so we're going into a quarter left turn. No, you guys stay here. I want lady to go in the back. Okay? We're gonna go quarter left turn, up and down, facing the back wall. Okay? Here we go from the top, and then we're gonna move forward. I wanna make sure you got this. Okay? We're going all the way to a half turn, but we're starting here, and we're going all the way around. So here we go, toe heel, 5, 6, 7, come on. Toe, heel, step, cross, tap. Toe, heel, step, cross, tap. Toe, heel, step, cross, tap. Take it up and down, and toe, heel, step, cross, tap. Toe, heel, step, cross, tap. Toe, heel, step, cross, tap, and up and down. Good job. Give yourself a round of applause. All right, adding on. Starting with your left. Okay? It's up on your left. Step, tick, step, scuff, right, left. Let's do it again. 5, 6, 7, step, left. Step, tick, step, scuff, right, left. Do it again. 5, 6, 7, half time. Step, tick, and step, scuff, right, left. Is that better? Okay, and then we go into a James Brown movement, which is right, left, triple step. Starting with your left. 5, 6, 7, left tick, left scuff, right, left, step, together, triple, do it again. Step, tick, left scuff, right, left, step, together, triple step. Yeah, you guys look awesome. Right, you're gonna go and cross. So it's and cross. You're gonna take your left leg and bring it out and open up. Okay? Here we go. So and cross. It's and cross, open up, sailor back, sailor step, kick left, quarter left. All right, one more time. And cross. 5, 6, 7, and cross, open up, sailor back, sailor step, kick left, left. Okay, from here, we're gonna take that left back into a coaster step. Okay, one more time. Here we go. 5, this wall, 5, 6, 7, and cross, open up, sailor back, sailor step, kick, coaster step. How'd you do? One more time. All right, here we go. And cross, 5, 6, 7, and cross, open up, sailor back, sailor step, kick left, quarter left, back, coaster step. Yeah? All right, one more. Last time, 5, 6, 7, and cross, open up, sailor step, kick, coaster step. From here, we're gonna rock up on our right. It's rock up, bring it back together, and then we're gonna step into a quarter left turn, and we're gonna do it like we used to call it drill team, remember this? Okay, or a wobble. So we're gonna rock up on our right, rock up, together, step on your left into a quarter turn, left, right, left, clap. Good, do it again. Here we go. Oh. Okay, yes, right? Okay, so we're gonna push up on our right. Push up, together, left, right, left. Good job. Let's go back to, one more time, just make sure you got this. And cross. 5, 6, 7, and cross, open up, sailor step, kick, coaster step, rock up, together, left, right, left, Good job, adding on. We're gonna do a mambo up, okay, on your right. So we mambo up, mambo back, and one, right. One more, from the top, okay. Wait, let me just add this little part, and then we'll go from the top, promise you. Mambo up, mambo back, one. 1, 2, 3, 4. From the top, thank you. All right, here we go. From the top, 5, 6, 7, toe here, step, left, right, toe here, step, cross tap, toe here, step, cross tap, up and down, toe here, step, toe here, step, turn it, up and down, up left, left tick, left step, right left, jam. You guys are like, hey, wait a minute, all right, come on, wait, let's go back, hold on, wait for us. I saw, okay, thank you, I was bringing it back, all right, so after we do our up and down, immediately left tick, left step, right left, James Brown, triple step, left tick, left step, right left, James Brown, trip and cross, open up, sailor step, kick, coaster step, bring it up, together, left, right left, mambo back, roll 1, 2, 3, 4. That's most of the dance right there. All right, so how y'all feel? Let's do that one more time from the top. All right, lady, you got the front, I got the back. Tippy top, a little slower. Okay, here we go. Because that's the meat of the dance. We pretty much repeat that over and over again. So let's review that a few more times. From the top, 5, 6, 7, come on. Toe, here, step, left, right, toe, here, step, cross tap, toe, here, step. Take it up and down, up and let's go. Toe, here, step, up and down, step up on your left tick, left step, right left, James Brown, triple step tick, left step, right left, James, trip and cross, open up, sailor back, sailor step, kick for a quarter turn, coaster step, bring it up, together, left, right left, mambo up, mambo back, roll it out. 1, 2, 3, 4. How'd you do? Okay, so after we do the mambo, we have to do our and cross. One more time, everything is in twos in this dance. So after you do your mambo up, mambo back, 1, 2, 3, 4, and cross, open up, sailor step, kick, coaster step, bring it up, together, left, right, left. That's officially, and then we do the mambo, okay? Mambo up, mambo back, roll, and that's officially the end of the dance. But let's do that again. Here we go, facing this wall, and cross. 5, 6, 7, and cross, open up, sailor step, kick, coaster step, bring it up, together, left, right, mambo up, take it up, bring it back, roll it, 1, 2, 3, 4, end of dance. All right? On that wall. Okay? One more time, you guys, from the front, then we'll do the back wall. How y'all feeling? Yeah? Hungry? All right, here we go. From the top, 5, 6, 7, here we go. Toe, here, step, cross tap, toe, here, step, cross tap, toe, here, step. Here we go. Up and down, and toe, here, step, cross tap, toe, here, step, cross tap, toe, here, step, cross, turn it. Left up, come on. Left tick, left step, right left, James Brown, trip. Do it again. Left step, right left, and cross, come on. And cross, open up, sailor, kick, coaster. Bring it up and touch together, left, right, left, mambo up, mambo back, come on, let's one. And cross, open up, sailor, kick. Turn it, coaster, bring it up, together, left, right, left. Hey, give yourself, you guys are all right. Oh, sorry, we forgot to rock it, okay? My bad. Okay, let's mambo, 5, 6, 7, mambo up, mambo back. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, dance starts all over, facing the back wall. New wall, new dance. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, come on. toe, heel, step. Toe, heel, step. Toe, heel. Turn it. Let's go. Toe, heel, step. Toe, heel, step. Toe, heel, step. Up, step up on your left. Come on. Left tip, left step, right, left. Step together. Trip. James Brown. Come on. Tip, left step, right, left. And cross. Come on. And cross. Open up, sailor. Sailor, kick, kick, kick. And coaster step. Bring it up. Together. Left, left. Mambo. Right up. Right back. Left. 1, 2, 3. And cross. And cross. Open up, sailor. Kick. Coaster. Take it up. Together. Left, left. Mambo up. Mambo back. Roll it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job, you guys. How y'all feeling? Level 3? Oh, yeah. Well, this is a level 2 dance, so you're doing pretty good. All right, any questions? All right, so let's go over the special, you guys, okay? 2 rotations, and then we go into the special. All right, so the special is, you gotta get low, get low, get low. All right, on your right, here we go. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's quarter turn, roll, and roll. Do it again. Right, left, right. Take it up. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now roll and quarter turn. Take it low. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now stop. Don't roll. Okay? The last one, you do not roll. Dance starts all over, facing the back wall. All right? So from there, we start back over from the top. Toe, heel, da, da, toe, heel, da, da, da. All right, how y'all feeling? Want to go through the whole thing, or are you ready for the music? I don't know what you said. Music? All right, let's go. Wait, what y'all say over here? Let me. All right, here we go. Let's go, y'all. All right. Let's go. Lady and Imani got the back wall. Come on, I got the front. All right, let's go, y'all. Bomba by Level Team. Here. Coach, here, step. Coach, here, step. Take it up and down, up and down. Here, step. Left, right. Coach, here, step. Left, right. Take it up and down. Come on, left hip, left hip, left up, right left, jump, round, triple step, left hip, left up, right left, jump, and cross, open up, come on, sailor, kick, kick, coaster, bring it up, together, left, right left, marble up, come on, back, roll in, hey, and cross, there you go, open up, sailor, kick, kick, coaster, bring it up, together, left, right, left, bring it up, and back, roll, come here, come on, come here, step, and come here, step, and come here, step, and come, take it up, take it up, let's go, hey, come on, come here, step, turn it, left kick, come on, left kick, left up, right, left, and round, come on, and cross, open up, sailor, kick, coaster, bring it up, together, left, right, left, marble up, left one, hey, and cross, open up, and kick, coaster, bring it up, together, left, right, left, marble up, special, get ready, get low, hey, let's roll, and roll, get low, go, here, step, called Bomba. All right, you guys, how much time I got? All right, so.